Welcome, friend. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to monetize a YouTube channel. Step 1. Meet YouTube's monetization requirements. 1,000 subscribers. Your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. 2. 4,000 watch hours. Your channel must have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. 3. Comply with YouTube's policies. Ensure your content complies with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Step 2. Enable monetization on your YouTube account. 1. Sign into your YouTube account. Go to, link unavailable, and sign into your account. 2. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on your profile picture, then select YouTube Studio. 3. Click on Monetization. In the left menu, click on Monetization. 4. Apply for monetization. Click on Apply for monetization and follow the prompts. Step 3. Set up your AdSense account. 1. Create an AdSense account. Go to, link unavailable, and sign up for an account. 2. Verify your account. Verify your email address and phone number. 3. Set up your payment information. Add your payment details to receive payments from AdSense. Step 4. Explore additional monetization strategies. 1. Sponsorships and product placements. Partner with brands to promote their products or services in your videos. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products or services and including affiliate links in your videos or video descriptions. 3. Merchandise. Sell merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, or other products, to your audience. 4. Premium content or memberships. Offer exclusive content or memberships to your viewers in exchange for a fee. 5. Licensing. License your content to other media companies or platforms. 6. YouTube Premium. Earn a share of the revenue generated by YouTube Premium, a paid subscription service that offers ad-free videos, exclusive content, and other perks. Step 5. Optimize your videos for monetization. Use relevant keywords. Include relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. 2. Create high-quality, engaging content. Produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to watch until the end. 3. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that grab viewers' attention and encourage them to click on your video. 4. Promote your videos. Promote your videos on social media, forums, and other online platforms to increase visibility and drive traffic to your channel. Step 6. Monitor and analyze your earnings. 1. Track your earnings. Use YouTube Analytics to track your earnings, views, and engagement. 2. Analyze your performance. Analyze your performance to identify areas for improvement and optimize your content and monetization strategies accordingly. Step 7. Stay up to date with YouTube's monetization policies. 1. YouTube's Terms of Service. Familiarize yourself with YouTube's Terms of Service and community guidelines. 2. Monetization policies. Stay up to date with YouTube's monetization policies and any changes that may affect your channel. By following these steps, you can monetize your YouTube channel and start earning money from your content.